Hello friends and welcome to my video. Today's topic is which site is best way to make money online. So there are different platforms which we use on daily basis but we don't know how to make money from them. So first in the list is Twitter. A lot of people are not aware of the huge money making opportunities that this little bird app can do for you. Twitter is one of the best places to turn any slight opportunities into money. So if you can build an audience of 1,000 people, then 10,000 won't be a problem for you. And if you can build 10,000, then more is never a problem and you will start making huge money. But how to do this one? Create your own product or get an affiliate link from different e-commerce sites and then start promoting to your audience. Definitely this will bring you a lot of money. Second in the list is Amazon. So Amazon, you will make tons of money if you can publish articles or write short stories on the Amazon. You will make tons of money by publishing these stories to Kindle app. Okay, so this is called as Amazon KDP or known as Kindle Direct Publishing app. Here, Amazon will pay you for your short stories and your blogs. Then third in the list is Get Response. If your goal is to earn like $1,000 or more than that per month, then Get Response is the app which you want to use. But how to earn money from Get Response? You can achieve this with 1 to 3 books or more, plus strategic marketing or advertising plans. Find out a product that many people need on a daily basis, and then locate who owns these products around you. Then create sales page with Get Response on these products, and start running social media advertising to each right buyers. Okay, and you can publish the same links to the Twitter and Amazon so that you can get more audience and more people can buy from. So these are some of the good platforms which can make you money, which you already are using on the daily basis. So thank you and see you next time.